is one of my last walls that I needed to paint, and I wanted to make it in a little bit of a project. Just bear in mind, if you are painting, you need to prep the wall first. So I've covered all the holes that there were, sanded it down, and basically just roughly placed where I want the solid colors. I am going to stipple in like an ombre effect. That's the idea, but let's see if it's happening. And yeah, this is just a project for all the women out there. It's always good to take your own paintbrush and take charge of your life. Oh yes, I have a buddy to help me. This is the third day that I'm busy with the wall, and I decided to ditch the masking tape because it just restricts my painting technique. And this is how far I've gone. It's gone a lot lighter than what I thought I would be, because if you guys can see from my previous video, the dark grey that I started off with really didn't work. My technique is two brushes, a dry brush to smoothen out the lines, because I don't want definite lines, and then a normal. I've done this whole wall by hand with this roller, and I can honestly say that's the way to do it. And this is basically the ombre effect, so it goes from lighter to darker, and voila.
Fucking awesome, really. It's very pretty.
This is the final product after spending so much time. Just to give you an idea, the wall is 4 meters in width and normal height. So you still see that I've gone the darker color, the one that I started off with, I've put at the bottom. Let me just, there you can see exact shading. But these cupboards, this is basically my sweetie cupboard. Now you can see me in the mirror because I am still in my PJs, but never mind. And to follow on, so you could see in the, I've got a mirror on my table, just a normal IKEA mirror actually, and a table with drawers. Let me pull that out. Table with drawers, that's quite convenient. And then you see this effect reflecting in the wall, and some of my crystals. And I will take a full shot with my table. This is my dining room table. Okay, And then, just FYI, I've already set up breakfast for this morning, waiting for everybody to wake up, come down and have their brekkie. Very easy way to fold your serviette. If anybody wants to have a course in serviette folding, happy to do one of those videos. Let me know in the comments. Okie dokie.